Hello everyone, welcome to Edge Talk. I'm Mike. Today in front of you we have the NCA-1040, which previously seen on my Product Insight episode number 14. Today we have invited our project manager for the NCA-1040 and her name is Chloe. We will actually let her describe what is the development, empathy, and cycles which related to our NCA-1040.
Hello, I'm PM Chole. Hey Michael, it is the smallest desktop model in the extra small family.
Yes, it is. In fact, this is one of the smallest units that we have in the category that's perfectly for SD-WAN. So, being such a small unit, so what are some of the optional kits that's actually available for this unit?
There are some full kits for NCA-1040, such as Wi-Fi module, LTE module, and WOMA, etc.
Oh, I see. So when our customer have the features, so they want some of the features, so they can actually order available kits for the NCA-1040. Oh, I got it. Okay, that sounds good. So Chloe, I understand being a project manager in Lanner must be awesome, especially development system like NCA-1040 for Lanner. So can you let us know what are some of the stories that you can share during the NPI cycles for the NCA-1040?
It took us a long time to develop NCA-1040.
Right.
We want to make it all right, and the performance and integrity are perfect before MP.
Oh, I see. So Chloe, I understood that for the NCA-1040 to complete the entire NPI processes, it has to go through some really strenuous validation cycles here at Lanner. So what are some stories you can share about this?
You're right. Everything needs to go through the Lanner rigorous stages such as CE, SI, RA, there's 3 stages.
Okay, so when you might CE, it means the compliance, and the RA means reliability, and SI for signal integration. Yeah, actually, you are right, because Lanner does have one of the famous validation laboratories to actually verify our units regarding is an extra small family or something that's as big as a 1U or 2U. Beyond the NPI cycles, now we go through the mass production. So I understand with the current worldwide component shortages, there's a lot of chipset and a lot of components that is really hard to purchase, and a lot of customers may have issues when it comes to ordering. So what are some of the challenges or mitigations that we face that you can actually offer for NCA-1040?
No worries. Despite material shortage, we have long prepared ahead for the sufficient stock.
Oh, I see. So it means like during NPI, you guys already prepared the material for this system? Wow, that's actually a really smart move. Yeah, so I understand that for a desktop unit like this, so it'll be quite popular because the quantity will be large. Well, thank you very much, Chloe, for explaining the development cycle of the NCA-1040 and all the hard work we put through even on the smallest desktop unit like this. Well, thank you, Chloe, for explaining the whole story, and
thank you for having me.
All right, then. See you next time.